I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us practice factoring and also appreciate how factoring is applied for solving equations. We have 4 different questions here which are similar kind. I'd like you to pause the video, solve these questions. Here is the first one. 4x squared minus 9 equals to 0. Well, we can write 9 as 3 squared, right? So we have 4x squared minus 3 squared equals to 0. Now 4 is 2 squared, so I can even write this as 2x whole square minus 3 squared equals to 0. Now this, does it remind you of something? Let's difference of squares, right? That is, we learned if we have a square minus b square, we could factor this as a plus b times a minus b, right? So a in this case is 2x. So we could write this as 2x, b is 3, right? 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 3 equals to 0, right? So that is how you can factor it. If you want to check, you can expand and check. You can expand this also and check, correct? Now when we say solve the equation, in this case right side is 0, so we need to make the left side also 0, and that's why we factored. Now if each factor is 0, we get the solution. Now when is 2x plus 3 equals to 0? Solve and find out. So let's do it. So we have 2x plus 3 equals to 0. That means x, okay, let me do it on the right side here. So we want to do 2x plus 3 equals to 0. That means 2x equals to minus 3. X is equals to minus 3 over 2. Is it okay? So that is one of the solutions. The second one should be 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, let's do that one. So let's solve for 2x minus 3 equals to 0. That means 2x equals to plus 3 and x is equal to divide by 2. Both sides 3 over 2, correct? So that gives us 2 solutions, right? So the solutions are, let me write down the answer, and that is x is equals to plus 3 by 2 or minus 3 by 2. So let me write this as plus or minus 3 over 2, correct? So that is the solution for this question, correct? That's how we solve them. Now the next one. 100x squared minus 121 equals to 0. 100 is like 10, right? 10 squared. So we could write this as 10x whole square. 121 is 11 square, right? So what we have here is 10x squared minus 11 square equals to 0. Factor using difference of squares. Difference of squares is product of their sum and difference. So their sum is how much? The sum is 10x plus 11 and the difference is 10x minus 11. That should be 0. Now this is 0 when x is equals to minus 11 over 10 or x is equals to 11 over 10, right? You can solve using this method. But that's the solution, right? From the factors. Is that okay? So that is how you solve these questions, right? I'll appreciate if you could do these 2 questions in details and practice, correct? Now just to help you out, rather to give you the answer, 9x squared minus 25, we could factor this as 3x plus 5 times 3x minus 5 equals to 0, and that gives us 2 solutions. X is equals to plus minus 5 over 3, correct? But follow all the steps. And here it is 4x whole square, so it should be 4x the first term. 9 square is 81, so 9, right? There's sum and difference, correct? And the solution will be, this term is 0 for x equals to 9 minus 9 over 4, right? So it is minus 9 over 4, and this will be 0 when it is plus 9 divided by 4. So we could write plus or minus 9 over 4 as the solution for the last one. I hope that helps. Thank you.